Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing well. I'm glad you made it to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Xtava Black Orchid Diffuser. I have been eyeing this thing for a long time, and so I'm so excited I finally got it. I paid $19 for it on Amazon. You can either buy just the attachment or you can pay for the full hair dryer. I believe it's like $50 if you buy the hair dryer as well. I'm really excited about it. So if you want to know my thoughts, go ahead and skip to the end of the video and I'll give a review. But first I am gonna do a little bit of a tutorial and show you guys how I diffuse my hair. Hope you guys enjoy. Hi. Okay, so as you saw, this thing is really big. I was able to fit, like, if I wanted to, I could have fit like all of my hair in it in like 2 sections. Even one time I got like all of my hair in it on top of my head. So I'm really a big fan. The only problem, as you saw, is that it fell off of my dryer 3 or 4 times, which is not okay. So what I recommend is either you buy the hair dryer that is made to go with it, or you can buy an attachment called a Snozzle, and it's an attachment that helps like hook it on so that it'll stay, so it can be compatible with your current dryer. I will place a link for that below. And then also, you could also just tape it on. Like, that's really wonky, but if you know that you're never gonna use your hair dryer except for when you use this thing, you can tape it on. I'm still debating what I'm gonna do. I'm debating on either getting this nozzle or just sitting this back and getting the dryer that goes with it. But overall, so it has these, if you see, it's got these little air vents here at the tips, and that helps the air get through to your root so that you can get dry closer to your scalp while you're drying. If I show you my old diffuser, this is my Conair one, it doesn't have that. So the heat's only coming from right here. But with this one, the heat is coming from all of these vents in here, and it's also coming from these. So overall, I would say I love this. I'm a big fan. I can't wait to keep using it. I do feel like it cut my dry time down a little bit. I dried for about 25 minutes, I think. And because the heat goes through so many different holes, I was actually able to turn the speed up a little higher than I normally do, which also helped. So these are my results. I am overall very satisfied with it. If this was helpful, like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Confessions of a Wavy Girl. If you have any questions, I would love to help you out there, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.